In our workshop today, we're installing our carbon fibre cold air intake on our MK8 Golf R. So let's get it fitted and unlock some hidden potential. Our brand new cold air intake for the MK8 Golf R looks exquisite. It comes with a stunning carbon fibre weave and is protected with a premium quality high gloss finish. Designed and engineered specifically for the MK8 Golf R, it fits absolutely perfectly. We've been running ours on our development car for several hundred miles now, and we've been delighted with the results. The system takes cold air from the front of the car and uses a high performance pod style filter. So as well as improving airflow, you get a little extra noise too. This is a superb upgrade if you're planning on a remap. Combine our cold air intake with our uprated intercooler and a VZ remap, and your Golf R will be putting out over 400 horsepower. Ours is putting out 405 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. If you'd like to unlock your car's true potential, visit paramountperformance.com or give us a call on 01789 774444. Our team would be happy to provide installation at our Warwickshire workshop in the UK, or we can arrange worldwide shipping to a location of your choice.